You're welcome to this lesson, and this will be the continuation of our last lesson where we consider some calculations regarding atoms. In this lesson, we are going to take a deeper look at how to calculate empirical and molecular formula of a chemical compound. First, we look at the definition of empirical formula. The empirical formula of a compound is the simplest formula of that compound, which gives the component elements in a molecule of the compound and also the ratio in which the elements are combined together. So it gives the component elements, then it also gives the ratio at which the elements combine. For example, the formula for water. The formula for water is H2O, and the formula for hydrogen peroxide is H2O2. So this formula for water, you can see that it gives the component elements in a molecule of water. So the component elements are hydrogen and oxygen. And it also gives the ratio at which the elements combine together. So it tells us that two atoms of hydrogen combine with one atom of oxygen to form one molecule of water. In the case of hydrogen peroxide, we can see that the component elements again are hydrogen and oxygen. And we can also see that two atoms of hydrogen are combining with two atoms of oxygen to form one molecule of hydrogen peroxide. So we look at molecular formula. The molecular formula of a compound, it gives the exact number of moles of atoms of the component element in 1 mole of the compound. So it gives you the exact number of moles of the atoms. So in this case, let me further write. The molecular formula gives the exact number of moles of atoms of the component element in 1 mole of the compound. So if you take a look at water as an example, the molecular formula for water is H2O. And what that means is 1 mole of hydrogen combines with 1 atom of oxygen. 1 mole of hydrogen combined with 1 atom of oxygen. Why is it 1 atom of oxygen? Because 1 mole of oxygen contains 2 atoms of oxygen. So in the case of hydrogen peroxide, we've seen that hydrogen peroxide is H2O2, and that is 1 mole of hydrogen combined with 1 mole of oxygen. Here we can say this is half mole of oxygen. So this is the molecular formula. And if you take a look at this, something is common. So you can say that the hydrogen peroxide is HO, then multiplied by 2. So in this case, the simplest formula is HO, and that is the empirical formula. So when you multiply that empirical formula with the number of moles, then you get the molecular formula. In this case, N is our number of moles. So for example, the empirical formula for, let me take that example here. The empirical formula for benzene is C6H6. This is the molecular formula for benzene. And this C6H6 is CH multiplied by in 6 places.